Before everything else, I want to introduce to you the source. The source. The source of all this. There's the source. The two. The couple. They were once flirting. They were once looking into someone's eyes.
Bible school.
They were once dedicated to the Lord and get distracted because a beautiful student came along the hallway and a hanky
And then this is what happened.
and a hanky teacher who saw the
Oh,
the gorgeosity of the Timuay. Kunya na ni. Okay. So because of that union, the result is this.
Oh, ito patagbaloy pa.
Ito patagbaloy kay maghimo pa ta dito mga pangajion na po yung wali dito.
Ano sa mga chika-chika na.
Our Father which art in heaven,
Wali pa dito.
be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done, as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread.
Wali pa ang hyperstep.
The power and the glory forever. Amen.